Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this asymmetrical corner braids in the high ponytail. First, I create the triangle shaped parting on top. This is for the first braid. I put the rest of the hair away and then I start to braid. Take 3 equal strands and then start to move strands from side alternately under to the middle and add hair from the both sides of the braid. Left under, add hair. Right under, add hair. Left under, add hair. Right under, left under. As you can see, sometimes I skip the addings so the braid will be tight enough. This is after all pretty small area that I'm braiding in, so it's important that you add hair only under the braid. Continue like this until you braided the whole section in. Next, I will create the second part for the braid. It's also triangle shaped, and I start again from the front by taking 3 equal strands, and then I start to move them alternately under to the middle as I did before. Also for this braid is created by adding hair from the both sides of the braid. Yet I will create the third braid to this side, and I braid for that piece all the rest of the hair from the right side of my head. So again you need 3 strands, and that's braid technique. So bring strands alternately from side to side, under to the middle, and add hair from the both sides of the braid. The another side, and I split the left side piece in 2. I will create yet 2 more braids on this side. First is triangle shaped like everyone else too, and you need again just a Dutch braid. So take 3 strands and start to move them side under to the middle, then the another side under to the middle. Add hair from the both sides. If you feel that your braid becomes too loose, you can always try to skip some addings so the braid gets this chance to become tighter, or then you just need to add smaller pieces of hair. But after After all, if you just create the braid small enough and don't add too much hair, skipping 1 or 2 stitches in a row without adding doesn't show out very much or not at all from the braid. As you can see, again, the last braid on the side doesn't need specific partings, so I just braid in all the rest of the hair from the side, so none of my hair won't be on my face during the day. When all the braids are finished, I put them up to the ponytail and then the hairstyle is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!